And she's dirty, but she sounds good. What's up, dudes? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna go see my buddy Cody. It's been a couple weeks since I've seen the update on his GTM build, but we're gonna go check out what he's up to today. All right, here's a little pull for the boys. Just do a second gear here because traffic's kind of bad, but listen up. Okay, maybe we'll hit third too. All right, so I'm over at Cody's house. We've been working for most of the day, actually. I haven't really been recording, but we got some sheet metal panels getting painted over there, and I was drilling some of them, mocking them up and whatnot, and not really paying attention, I accidentally set this piece of sheet metal on top of this battery, and here's the two posts, one here, one there, and it totally shorted out, and it just blew holes in this sheet metal, or in this aluminum, and Cody's got some security camera footage. Hopefully the sparks are on that footage. If it is, I'll include it in this video, but it was wild. It was a huge spark that shot out, and this is the smallest battery he has, like, out of all of these, and it was 45 volts, 200-ish amps, who knows, probably more. Lots of power though, and yeah, I'm glad I didn't get hurt, because I could have easily gotten like burns at the minimum, if not like actually got hurt, but yep. All right, been a couple more hours since the last update, but we're pretty much done for the day. Well, with this at least. Got a lot of the sheet metal parts painted with like a special coating. They need to get put on so we can put, here's the AC system. Long story short, we got to start putting things in permanently before we can move forward. So that's why those are getting painted before the rest of them. But currently we are taking apart the Tesla drive unit, which I've never done before. And we're looking at, so we have to mount this upside down in the car. So we're looking at how the oil pump works and see if we could flip it up or something so we're not starving the motor of oil. The Camaro that drifts, they just leave it. They don't do anything about it using the same drive unit. So Cody's gonna see if he can figure out a way to engineer it a little bit better. But if you guys are not following this build on Cody's channel, you need to do yourself a favor and click on the link in the description, because you need to be following this. It's GTM kit car. Here's the body of it. It's kind of up in the air. There's the hood. It's going to be a super aggressive car, and that's that. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I'm going to be making some more updates on my car, but I'm also traveling quite a bit. I'll be leaving town next week I'll be gone for a couple weeks. Probably gonna make some videos of me traveling. We got some rental cars in Europe. That's gonna be really kind of fun, but there'll be race car and show content from Europe. So we'll see you guys there.